Thanks for inviting me, laddie.
Don't mention it, cunt. There's the fucking boys are over there if you want to go hang out with them.
Fuck! Your boys, is there one of them for me?
Yeah, you can have the fucking blue one.
Fuck yeah. Hey!
Whoa, holy shit!
Fucking hell.
Watch this, boys.
You're a fucking show-off. Watch this. Fucking.
What about this then?
If you're so fucking good, go off that then. Exactly, you fucking show-off.
Watch me. Fucking hell, it's a bit high up. Holy shit! Oh, fuck!
You alright, mate?
Yeah, I'll be fine.